Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Roku casting issues on ladder. So if casting from ladder to a Roku device is not working, the issues usually caused by Wi-Fi discovery problems, unsupported casting method, or Roku settings. So actually guys, first you will need to make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi. So your phone and tablet and the Roku device or Roku TV must be connected to the exact same network and Wi-Fi band. So a phone on 5 gigahertz and a Roku on guest Wi-Fi often prevents discovery. And actually, guys, you will need to restart the Roku and phone. So to do that, you will need to restart Roku at first. And if you are using an app like this one, you will need just to restart it first, then restart your phone. How so? You will need just swipe up the app from the recent apps, so that way you close it completely, and then restart your phone and then your router. So temporary network discovery failures are extremely common with casting. Also, guys, you will need to enable the screen mirroring on Roku. Okay, so let's get back to the Roku app right here, and then you will need just to tap on go to settings right here. Okay, so actually as you can see, settings, Roku local networks. Okay, so just go with the settings and go with local networks right here and enable it. Right, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.